Now, people say that East London is famous for nothing. I beg to differ. Now, listen for me. Now, this is an announcement. Wendy Kroukamp, also known as Worsie, which in English means sausage, and then Samantha and Nadine Boucher. They've all changed their surnames, but they're Bouchers. Nadine and Samantha are Bouchers. They own Hams Club and everything. They're going to Belgium for the hockey, for the Masters hockey. These are all old chicks. From the 6th to the 16th of August. They're going to Belgium, which I think is a city in Poland. But anyway, these cherries are ready to go. They don't need any financial support. These chicks are flipping loaded. Let me tell you for you now. Samantha, she's going as a hockey player / brandy and coke barista. Wendy Worsie is a braai queen. This cherry can tear up a oak's garden chair in 4 minutes flat to get the wood for the braai. Now, who was I spoken to about? Nadine and Samantha, one of the sisters, they look identical. The one boobs hangs lower than the other, but that's the only way you can tell them apart. They're identical twin sisters and the glass eyes. They're going to Belgium. They're going to tear that country apart, man. The Masters people, what have organised this tournament, don't know what hooligans they're getting into their country. They're going to have to check all their orifices when they go through the airport because, I mean, anyway, that's a story for another day. It involves crayfish in the Transkei under the car seats. But I just want to wish Samantha and Nadine a Worsie, sausage, Kroukamp, a moorse good luck. Absolutely misbehave overseas. I want you cherries to come back black, blue. I want you to be pregnant. I want you to have like a drug problem. I want you to have a bliksem meat allergy. I want you to somewhere just go there and put the border Bowes Hockey Club, which is Bohemians Hockey Club. It sounds like Lani. It's like Milner Stage, but Bohemians is like a rough hockey club. These chicks, their record, Bowes Hockey Club, they've never finished a match in the history of a hockey club there by their club without having at least 2 girls sent off for fighting. The ouds from IG Jansen, Rekenijf, was never tell you that. Nadine and Worsie and Samantha used to clear the bus of all the lesbians saying Leswood. It's in the place where they used to fight. Anyway, guys, Bowes Hockey, SA Masters, Springboks. These cherries are Springboks. They're going to, if they get medals, they're going to take it to Cash Crusaders and get the money. But they're going to have more of a good time. Guys, please, man, just support the Masters hockey teams, even though they might have to spend 67 years in a Thai prison on a way back. These cherries represent, as they say in the hood. Live long and prosper, Harry Potter.